So today we are doing seats in the 94 Chevy. What we had, it was a Southern Comfort conversion. You can tell by the wheels and by the seat. The seat that's over here with the wood trim that's, although beautiful, not wanted anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the bucket seats that are made for the YJ on here by using this bottom end. What we're going to do is, since we don't want these seats no more, we are going to cut them somewhere on these brackets and make these brackets bolt onto there. That way they still slide forward and back. And then get this reupholstered or find a new center console to go there.
Let's go have a look at Ryder's dash now that it's daylight. Also, if anybody's looking for a set of these ARE wheels, Ryder's got them. Let's see here. So he did a good job. Obviously, he's still got some putting together to do. All right, Ryder, take that sucker apart.
Okay, well, I need a battery for this. Do you have one charged, or I'm gonna make sure we're on out? And a handy dandy tool to use is a plastic baggie that you mark. This one says Ryder 1994 truck seat, so you know what bolts, where your bolts are and what they go to. Already got that one off. There you go. I don't know if I can get to that one without sliding it forward.
I need an extension.
Oh, yeah, the extension would work there. Let me get my extension. So, where's my baggie? Here it is. This seat should be loose. Set it like this will work. There it is. So now that we got that one off, just two more to go.
You all right? You know what? What?
Let's just do this Big Daddy way. I don't know what he's getting, but what we're doing is we're cutting that off, just so you can see it better. You have to pull this foam away, cut in there and down there, and we should have brackets to bolt the other bucket seats on.
You should go get a battery and put it on the charger, but
Where's the battery?
I don't know where one of them is, but the other one I used yesterday on a heat gun, so it's...
That's what it was. I used the one that was on the heat gun, and then I'm gonna say you took it back.
Tell the people our plan if this catches on fire, Ryder.
Our plan if this catches on fire is throw it in the yard or snowballs.
I think throw it in the yard.
Oh, shoot.
At least we both have the same plan.
Safety third. Remember that in the shop.
You can probably stop it for now.
No. Go ahead.
Wow. I feel so much safer. Wow. I feel so much safer.
Go ahead.
What in the world?
Ah, it's connected up there. Would you look at that?
Are you kidding me, Smalls? Son. Okay. 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 Can you hold that up for me, Ryder?
Hold that. Yeah. Good job.
Good job.
Good job, team. Go team.
Good job, team. Go team.
Is that important, or can we take that metal thing off?
Well, we can take the metal thing off.
Okay, that sounds good. Good plan. Good plan.
Okay. We'll bolt that back on.
Okay.
Oh, you want to show them our plan if it catches on fire?
Oh, do we need to practice it?
Yeah, let's practice our plan in
Okay.
case it catches on fire.
Here, I'll just try to set you guys right there so you can see our plan.
Oh no!
Our seat's on fire.
Whatever shall we do, Ryder?
Our seat's not on fire.
of a nutcracker!
No fair, you got a face shield.
Oh no, our seat was on fire.
Okay. Last one. Oh, I need.
Okay, you got it?
Yep. I'm gonna take these over to the other one or just leave it
No,
here?
we still need to take the sliders off.
Okay. That seat we probably won't catch on fire.
Now, let's not catch this seat on fire. It's a good seat.
Okay. Need
Now,
that.
those are Star instead of
Allen.
Allen.
That's not. I think it's inside.
Huh?
I think the star did. Okay, so we got our sliders on now. These came off the YJ seats. It's just the sliders, and we're bolting them on the parts we cut off of the old seats. Do I need to move this forward now? Or
Plates there.
now we got to put our nuts on.
Oh, there's already one on that one.
Okay, thank you.
Let's watch the ride the struggle bus here.
This is so much.
Well, we're currently bolting the YJ seats back to the YJ sliders that are bolted to the Southern Comfort jigger there. I don't know if I can put you guys somewhere. I don't know.
Right here stands behind me.
That's a lock.
Yeah. But they also slide back quite a bit, don't they?
I hope so. Here's your two.
Oh. Are your two still in?
Yep.
Okay. Good stuff, good stuff.
Ryder's searching for his bolt hole over there.
No, I got mine in. I'm just tightening them as much as I can.
This side really need thread chased, but we didn't.
Hey guys. Just like that. Mine's in there, right there. He's doing his side. They're very far forward, but that's as far forward as they'll get, so. You're very short. That's about as far as you get.
They do sit low, which is good.
Yeah. And they fit about the same as the other ones did.
They sit a little lower than the other ones did.
Oh. Well,
See how they're lower than that center console?
Oh, yeah.
That's alright though, you're not a short boy.
Kinda. Okay. Let's just start with this one. You can just watch from right there. Or do you need to be? There you go, you're good right there.
Loud bangs.
It's okay though. Here, I'll let you see what I'm doing a little bit more than just my hand being there.
Look, they were fine too.
Oh, sweet. I don't know if you can see what I'm tightening. There you go. Now you can see. Do they feel nice?
They feel fine.
Sweet. Yeah. Take this back and put it where the windshield is. Sure.
Whoa, hey guys. So, factory YJ seats. Obviously, he's gonna have to do something with the center console, and really, even the YJ seats are just a temporary deal because his dad messed up and let him buy the wrong seat. So we were looking for this style of seat, except for we need it not to be split because these do that, so there's no way for the back and the bottom to be attached together.
Gosh.
Have a fit in there, buddy?
No.
I don't think you need to be any further back than that. You can't reach the pedals. Sweet, you got seats in your truck, bro.
Yeah, I do. That's nice.
Now you can finish your dash install.
What's left of my... Oh, yeah. Radio or cubby to replace radio stuff. Ooh. Radio. I just put that in there so it wasn't in the way the other day. I need a cover here. We have our bezel now, but it needs painted black. So really, dash install probably isn't done until it gets warm again.
Probably leave your bezel gray
Why?
because that's normal, and it gives it a little contrast instead of just being black.
Okay. Well then, bezel stays gray.
I mean, you don't have to, but that's what I would do.
Okay. Bezel stays gray. And new steering wheel at some point, but I need to put my glove box there and get an aftermarket radio, or get an aftermarket radio here that does Bluetooth. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go do stuff with your projects, and have a great day or night.
Bye.